Good day guys, so welcome to Trendy channel. So in today's tutorial we'll be looking at the disadvantage of AI as a graphic designer. Now AI has done more harm than good, especially to graphic designer, though it has helped a lot of graphic designer out there in terms of enhancing their skill, but at the same time it has destroy a lot of potentials and a lot of graphic designer. So if this is your first time, welcome to Trendy channel. Here in this channel we talks about growth of graphic designer, how to grow as a graphic designer. So let's go straight to the video. So the number one disadvantage of using AI as a graphic designer is that is difficulties in standing out. Now everybody uses AI to design. Now let me be specific about the disadvantage. Now AI, when it comes to using AI to get materials for your design, is really amazing, which I'll also recommend for any graphic designer, both the upcoming and the pro. But when it has to do with relying on AI for designing, that's where the disadvantage comes in. Now a lot of persons has actually had their way around prompt, using prompt to carry out design. Prompt AI, and AI will also help them design. They will send in pictures and some things, but the truth is, by doing that, automatically there's a part of you that is degenerating. There's a part of you that you are weakening daily. There's a part of you that is dying, and that's that part of you to be able to stand out as a graphic designer. Now it is recommendable to use AI to get materials because of its credibility and amazing tool, but relying on AI to design is really a difficult thing. Now why is it that most persons find it difficult to stand out while using AI? Now everybody is using AI to design. I might just give AI, and the funny thing is that we don't know that AI has a particular kind of design. Once you use AI to design anything and you show it to a pro, an advanced graphic designer, they will know that okay, this work is actually coming from AI did this. Now I'm not talking about using AI to get material. I'm talking about using AI to design, like starting the design from scratch and finishing. It's being done by AI. Everybody will know AI has a particular pattern of designing. AI is not, when it comes to graphic design, like graphic design, AI cannot create an eye catching church flyer for you. That's a big fat lie. AI cannot do that, and I will show you some of those designs. I will show you some of those samples that AI cannot do, especially when it comes to our revival program church flyer. AI can try in terms of birthday design, but when it comes to church flyer, creating of real estate and those things, no matter how you prompt, no matter your prompts, no matter how your prompts, no matter the level of your prompts, AI cannot give you exactly what some clients actually need. How about working for a client that has their own brand color? No matter the description you give to AI, there's always a slight mistake. So it will be, you find it difficult to stand out as a graphic designer while relying on AI. Then the second thing is over reliance on AI. Now, like I said, something that AI has its own pattern of designing. So there's this template, is a program something irrespective of the design that you want to carry out. Now there's this template that has already been programmed in that AI tool. So when you give your impromptu, automatically they just take your details and place it there and use your picture. So the difference between your design and the design of another person is just your picture. If not, the setting and also the positioning of the pictures and the write-up, they are all the same thing. Now if I'm able to lay my hand on some AI design, I also add it in this video so that you see what I'm talking about. Are you getting me? So over rely on AI templates, over reliance on templates. Now the reason why over relying on templates is not good is because it blurs your creativity. Though I don't want to get ahead of myself, we'll get to that place at the same time. Then the third one is decrease creativity. Now in as much as AI can also make the job to be fast for you, at the same time AI makes the job to be fast and same time makes you lazy. So, and by making you lazy, it decreases your creativity. Now that ability for you to think as a graphic designer is no longer there again. That ability is gone. Though I'll be making video on how to be creative as a graphic designer, or how to activate your creativity as a graphic designer, and the video is coming up soon, so just stay tuned to this video. So AI decrease your level of creativity. Now you cannot think again. That ability to think as a graphic designer is not there again, because you now have an alternative. So that ability to think as a graphic designer, the way that a graphic designer is structured, that ability is no longer there again because of over dependence on AI. Now AI is not really bad, it's a good tool that has helped a lot of person, but over dependence on AI is bad. It blurs your creativity. And the fourth and the fifth one is very, very striking, so just stay tuned to this video. And the fourth one is that it increase competition. It increase competition. And you know the truth about finding yourself in a competitive space is that there are chances and ability of you being cheap. Yeah, check whatever thing that requires a lot of competition, requires a lot of energy to level up your game. Your inability to level up your game automatically makes you cheap in the market space. So one of the disadvantage that AI has already brings to a lot of graphic designer who has actually rely on AI is that it makes them cheap. And that's where we get this slogan of 2K graphic designer. So if because if you can a lot of because and the truth is that a lot of clients has actually realized that a lot of graphic designers are using AI to design. So what they do is that they come on YouTube here and also watch how to create design with AI. Like some of the clients that are smart and also brilliant, then they'll get the right prompt to import their image and import some things, and AI will actually give them what they need. Even if they are not satisfied, then what they just need is just the image should be arranged in a visual form. That's just it. So at that moment they no longer see the essence of needing a graphic designer, a professional graphic designer, to carry out the tool, because they know that AI is there, AI can do it for me, so no need of doing that. Then the last one is incompetency. Now when you start using AI to design frequently, now there's this part of you that degenerates. That competent to meet up to a standard is no longer there again, because you now believe that okay, AI is there, let me just use AI, I don't want to stress myself. That ability to try to level up your game and also increase your level of creativity is no longer there again. And most of the times this thing did not just affect you as a graphic designer, it also affects your relationship with your clients. A situation whereby, so that incompetency, a lot of us, because we rely on AI, we cannot level up our game again, and it affects our relationship with our customer. Because the truth is, there are some design you do for some persons and they will just accept it and look for another graphic designer, and you start losing customer without knowing the cost of you losing customer, not knowing that over dependent on AI has been a problem. So in as much as AI is good, in as much as AI is making the job easy for you, at the same time AI is making you lazy. So your ability to know the disadvantage of AI will save you from facing this doom that will soon come. So all you need to do, use AI to get your materials for your design. While you sit down, open your system. If you're using Photoshop or CorelDRAW, open your system. If you're using your phone, sit down, open your phone and do your design by yourself while you